नंबर 2, सूरत अल-बकरा, आयत नंबर 45।
واستعينوا بالصبر والصلاة وأنها لكبيرة إلا على الخاشعين.
And seek help through patience and prayer. Indeed, it is a burden except for the humble. Message from this ayat. This world is a place of tillage, not a place of harvest. This world is a place of examination, not a place of punishment. Allah tests His servants by sending them trials in various forms of difficulties and calamities. The passing away of dearest people is also a tragedy and trial. Loss of wealth is also a problem and trial. A bad neighbor, an abusive husband or wife, a cruel ruler, all these are also troubles and trials. The one who adopts the attitude of patience in these troubled and trialed times, he is successful in the exam, and the one who deals with it angrily will be declared unsuccessful in the exam. No human could escape the trials, not even the prophets. Rather, they were tested with severe trials. It is mentioned in the books of history that when Zulqarnain reached Babylon, he fell ill and realized that it was a fatal disease. Suddenly, he thought of his mother. So he planned a strategy to persuade his mother and sent a healthy sheep to his mother, and at the same time bequeathed that if I die, then these sheep should be slaughtered and food should be prepared with it, and only those should be invited to the dinner table who have never been tested in any way or who have never lost a loved ones. So after the death of Zulqarnain, his will was carried out. But to the surprise of all there, no one came to the dinner table, and the reason? There is no house in the world that has not been tested or faced trials, or that hasn't bared the losing of someone close. So his mother understood the message of her son and began to pray for him. May Allah keep you in the shadow of His mercy. You have fulfilled the duty of my obedience in your whole life and even after death.